House of Cards is based in the US.
And it's in Washington, D.C. Yeah, that's all right.
And it deals with the US Congress, and the main character is
Frank Underwood is the main character.
Frank Underwood.
Underwood.
Frank Underwood, who's played by
Kevin Spacey.
Is it Underwood? Yeah, right.
I think that Kevin Spacey he's a dodgy man, as I said.
I know there's a couple in it.
And his wife Claire, who's scary, but awesome, and seemingly I have the same hair as her, but I didn't know that before I got that done.
And they're kind of a bit nefarious, and they're like quite power hungry.
And he's basically a backstabber who just wants to get as far as he gets. He kind of craves for power more than anything else.
He meets the feisty reporter and feeds her information, so he's kind of using her, right? And then they sleep together, because that's what old men and young women do in TV programs.
Probably, I don't know, collecting heads, killing interns, and he knows where all the bodies are buried.
He is really evil.
He just backstabs everyone, eats ribs down again.
And I think Claire doesn't mind this whole sleeping together, so I presume she must have her own stuff going on.
Kills people, I think, probably, or maybe not with his bare hands, probably orders it.
But he doesn't kill people or anything like that, does he? So it's kind of like possibly things you could learn from if you were so inclined that wouldn't be maybe that legal.
Why do you like him? Probably because you would imagine that if you were, you know, can I say that? I can't say that on camera.
He talks to the camera and he's like, I'm a bad dude.
And I think, doesn't it like have like he does the voiceover, like he narrates the whole thing?
Zach Morris did talk to the camera too. It's kind of like that. He goes like, hang time, and then he talks to the camera.
I killed a dog in the first episode, did see that.
Probably see some parallels anyway with kind of real life and the show.
Maybe a bit more realistic than like you'd think it would be.
But he's kind of nice as well, right?
When he killed the dog, he was nice.
Well, yeah, like the dog was in pain.
Like who wouldn't want to be president and try to like stab people in the back to it? Not me.